Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Grace from Gracie's Diamond World, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, hello, welcome. And if you have stumbled on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, next to which is a notification bell which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. If you're coming back, hey, thumbs up to you and welcome back. I don't want to waste not a second more. I have the most precious package that I am dying to get into. Oh, it's here. I'm going to tell you about it on the flip side. Before we get to that though, let's throw some love out to the Patreon family of the channel. Those that have bought me a coffee on the Buy Me a Coffee program. Thank you so very much. It is so appreciated. So appreciated. Let's throw some love out to these peeps, and you guys, you come with me. I'm going to see you on the flip side. Come on. Okay, are you ready to get into this package with me? Are you ready? This package comes to me by one of my most beautiful subscribers, and actually also a member of my Patreon family. This person also has a YouTube channel of their own. What I want to show you is, check this out, peeps. This is when, I'm being very mysterious, this is when it was shipped. Are you ready? On the 29th day, where's my finger? 29th day of the 6th month, 2021. This package took 135 days to get to me. 135 days. June, July, August, September, October, November, nearly 4 to 5 months, but it's here, and it comes to me, and I've covered up all our addresses. It comes to me from my very, very, very dear friend Chris. You may see him, you may have seen him commenting on videos, always such a wonderful participant during my lives. Oh, just nearly slipped, don't worry, I'm all good. And Chris had told me way back when that he had sent this to me, and it arrived, Chris. It has arrived. So I am so, you don't even understand. I'm so super excited to get into this package. I think I'll open it from this way. And okay, so Chris, are you ready? How exciting, how exciting. All right, let's go. Let's take out the first. Okay, so wrapped in tissue paper. For those of you that don't know, Chris does diamond painting. Chris also knits. Yes, he knits, I know. So let me tell you, it is pouring rain outside. It is freezing cold outside. So this already feels like it's going to be something I should have had available to me today. All right, let's have a look. Oh, they're mittens. They're mittens. Oh, look. Oh, and a pattern as well. Are you serious? You do these things with patterns, and look, look at the work. And what's going on here? Is this a button? I don't want to break it. I mean, oh, Chris, I should have rung you. I'm not going to ring you because I think maybe, do you undo this? I'm hoping that that's right. Let's put them on. Let's put them on, because my hands are freezing. My hands are totally so cold. Come on, get in there. Get. Oh my gosh. And they fit like a glove. Oh, they're warming up already. Check out this workmanship. Oh, look. I don't have a pair of mittens. I've got gloves. I don't have mittens. Look at that pattern. I am so blessed to have someone who cares enough about little old me, this Aussie chick in Australia, to go to all this trouble. I'm keeping them on because my hands are cold. And there's such a beautiful, beautiful colour. Oh, thank you, Kris. I will. How do you know how to do these things? How? That is like, there is no way I could do this. This is pure talent. Pure talent. I am going to, oh my goodness. All right. Okay, so we have a pair of mittens. Let's have a look. What else have you put in here, Kris? Oh, also delicately wrapped. What? Ah! Ooh. Okay, Nescafe we've got. I've never seen it in the Colombia, so I will try that out. Toffee nut, I definitely have never seen. So I now will have to find out from you. Oh, okay, there's the instructions here. Durr, Gracie. All right, so you pour it in, you pour hot water, stir, let it sit for a little bit, and let it go. And cappuccino. Guess what I'm having on the live on Sunday. Thank you so much, Kris. You know me well. You know me well. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. You are such a sweetheart. Oh, all right, let's go. What else have we got in here? What's this one now? Kris has been asking me, has it arrived yet? Has it arrived yet? Has it arrived yet? And honestly, I thought we'd lost it. We had lost it. What is this now? What is this? Is it a face washer, a cloth? What is it? I should have, it feels so beautiful. But look at this. I mean, and it's different colors. I mean, like, and it's got a border. It's got a distinct border. Whatever it is, Kris, I want to frame it. It's kind of like, I don't want to, I know I should use it. Gosh, it feels so nice. It feels so, is it a face cloth? I want to frame it because I don't want to ruin it. Because if I use it to wash and things, that means I just want to preserve it. Look at that. Isn't that absolute? It feels so beautiful. Maybe I might keep it around my coffee things because, browns and things. I don't know. Oh, the workmanship is just like there's a border. See that border? So once it's kind of out and stretched out a bit, this is when Kris says, come in and I'll, have a cup of tea. I'll put the tea on. I love the way Kris talks. Oh, thank you, Kris. All right, gosh, there's so many little packages in here. I don't know. It's like what's this one now? What's this one? Oh, it's a beanie to match my hat. Oh my God, look, can we just take a moment to appreciate this, please? Can we just take a moment? I mean, I can knit like not this, is it this stitch? I don't even know what stitch it is. I think it's more this stitch. What is it, knit one, purl one? I think it's, oh, there's my coffee machine. On point. But no way could I do this. No, not a chance. And Kris, I reckon that'll fit my big fat head too. Look at that. How long did it take you to do this? For someone to sit and, oh, wow. Oh, and there's more. There's like that, and I'm just feeling, and there's this and one more. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, sticky. What's in this? What have you got? Oh, how cute is this? Oh, is this one of those? No, is it supposed to? Oh, this is not representative of your what is it? Those little birds that I said that I wanted to bring home. Those Canadian birds. They're penguins that fly, or penguins that look like. Gosh, it feels so fluff. If only you could feel this. It's so foofy and fluffy. Oh, he's so adorable. I'm going to name him, you guessed it, Kris. He's going to be my little Kris. And he's a keychain. Look at that. Oh, I can't put him on my keys. He'll get ruined though. So I'm going to have to find a special somewhere for him. Oh. And I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly, Kris has got blue eyes. So you know what? Kris, this is you. Every time I look at this dude, little Kris, he's gonna remind me of you. How cute. He's so foofy and fluffy. Oh, he's so cute. I'll put him that way so he can stare at us as we do this. Yay. All right. So, what else? Last thing. Oh no. Oh, there was a card. Oh, now I feel like a real rotten old. There's a card. Oh, poop. That was just Grace. Lesson learned. Always look inside the box. Let me have a look at this card. Bouquet of good wishes. And look, it's paper quilling at its best. So I dare say this has been handmade. There you go. Penny Twin Crafts, handcrafted in Newfoundland and Labrador, which is where Kris is from. Let me read this off camera. Oh. Oh, Kris, let me read this out. Hi, Grace. I hope you're well. I also feel so privileged to be a part of your diamond painting world. This world has a lot of great people, and I feel so lucky to have stumbled across your channel. Always look forward to your videos and live events. I hope you enjoyed the beanie and the mittens. I tossed in a handmade dishcloth too. There you go. It's a dishcloth. It's cotton and can be washed and reused many times. That's why I was giggling at the end. Much love from Canada, Kris. Oh, my sweetheart. And look, it's all coordinated. So it's a dishcloth, y'all. Oh, but if I use it, I don't want to ruin it. I know you say that it can be washed. I'll leave it with me. I can't. I'm lost for words, Kris. Oh, the fact that, how long does it take someone to make all these things, honestly? And then we have this last package. I'm so sorry, Kris. I didn't see the card until the last minute. Oh. What else have we got? What is this one now? Oh, I dropped paper in my coffee. Oh, it's one of those wrap around your neck scarves. I know what and look. Oh, what's it called? Is it a crowl or something? I'm not sure. And it feels so warm. Oh, if only we had feel-o-vision. I know we always talk about smell-o-vision, but if only you could feel. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. And again, it is like different colors. Can you see those different colors? And differently stitched. Again, how many stitches do you know? Oh my goodness. How blessed am I? How absolutely blessed am I to have such beautiful, beautiful subscriber friends and friends that I have made to go to the effort. I mean, I've received such beautiful, beautiful friend mail from so many people, and it's never ever expected, but it is, oh my gosh, to my heart appreciated. And the reason I do these videos is to shine light on those people that have sent things out, and as I said, you know, my way of saying thank you. So hang on one sec, guys. Okay, you didn't think that I was not gonna not put these on, did you? How's it? Look, so I got them all on together, and I am getting toasty, toasty, warm. Each, I can't believe, Kris, that this wool was in, or yarn, wool was in your hands, and you worked it up, and now I'm wearing it on my head, around my heart, on my hands. Well, it's not around my heart, but it's kind of near the heart. So every time I wear these, I am definitely going to think of you. I'm going to, you know, think of this wonderful, wonderful platform to which I've met you, and of course everyone else who is, oh, and I dropped you. And dropped you again. Just stay there. Just stay there. I'm trying to move this out of the way, and it's not working. Raw and unedited as we go. And I know Kris wouldn't want it any other way, because that's just how we roll in the world of Gracie. How do you like my mittens? How do you like my mittens? Thank you. Thank you so, so much. I feel like I want to perch him up here. And I'll have my coffee too. Alright, so if you've gotten to the end, hey, a thumbs up to you, a thumbs up to Kris. Kris has got his own channel, The Kreative Kris. Of course I'm going to link his channel down below. If you've not checked him out, please go do so. He is so adorable, and go throw him some love and hit a subscribe over there. He's got a lot to share and a lot to offer this community. You can't see, but I'm using my pointer finger. So wherever you are in your part of the world, you fell. Put that up there. Tucked in there. No, you've only got one eye then. Poking. Sit up there. There you go, little Kris. The things I do. Wherever you are in your part of the world, look after yourselves, look after each other, have each other's backs. It's so, so, so super important. Until I see you in my next video, stay warm. I feel like such a goose, but it doesn't matter. That's what I do. I've got an itchy nose now. Oh my goodness. Look after each other, guys. Thank you for watching to the end. And Kris, thank you so, so much, my dear, dear friend. Okay, until I see you guys next time, I'm going to send you all much, look at this heart. Much heart, much love. And ciao, ciao for now.